The following is a presentation of TFNN. The Tom O'Brien Show is produced every business day after the market close. Tom takes your phone calls from 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time using the data available at that time.
Let's go to Keith in Philadelphia. Hey, Keith, what's going on?
Hey, Tom. How you doing?
I'm doing great, man. You having a good day out there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, a couple things, Tom. Number one, I started listening to you in 2001 and never stopped. Yep, and I owe you a lot, my family as well. Okay, this is the first time I'm calling.
I appreciate that, man. Thank you so much.
And now, here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 2 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. To master love, you have to practice love. The art of a relationship is a whole mastery. And the only way to reach mastery is with practice. To master a relationship is therefore about action. It's not about attaining knowledge. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow down 283, NASDAQ off 52, S&P's off 35, gold contract down 20 bucks, trading at $1,788 an ounce. Silver down 48 cents at $39.65 an ounce. Platinum down 9 bucks at $1,766 an ounce. Copper down 3 pennies at $3.69 a pound. Light sweet crude off $1.69 at $85.23 a barrel. Bonds up 1.27 ticks to 143.07. Dollar index up 72 ticks at 78.25. Go long America. Dollar, folks, is going topside, and I mean big. Euro down 10 ticks at 136. Yen up 20 at 76.65. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Well, I know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You're down 35 points. Big numbers. Expansion with volume. This baby's going to go make it, well, first off, your next level is at 1136. This baby, folks, is going right down to the bottom. And the reason I'm saying that is that I'll walk you through the transports. The transports are doing monster ABC downs, confirmed ABC downs. This 1101 is on game, and it's on game ASAP. That's your S&Ps. The Dow Industrials. What do you have with the Dow is this. She comes down 283. Same deal there. The bottom out there that's laying out there is 10,600. The Composite. Now, if you want to see deviance, folks, the Composite has it. The Composite came down 52 points. It was trying to hang up and hold on, and it just couldn't do it today. When you had the Fed statement come out, the Composite, the NDX 100, they were trying to hold on, and at that particular point, I actually, Steve and I were talking, Steve Rhodes, and I were talking, I says, man, this is going to get blown apart. And the reason I was saying that specifically was I've seen it happen before when what happens on a fundamental basis is this, is that the S&Ps are getting hit, the Dow's getting hit, and one indice is holding. It doesn't matter what indice. And when that is happening, right, and you're getting hit hard, oh, man, it just blows apart. And sure enough, it blew apart. Bottom line, the Composite. Now, the Composite, we're at 2538. Now, the difference in the Composite goes like this. The Composite, more than likely, will come down to its lows, but it'll have a good shot of not breaking those lows at this particular point. The other two, I think, are going to get blown apart beyond belief. We take a look at the bonds. Well, here, let's first, let's go over to the bonds. Well, first off, what you had happen in the, well, no, let's go to the dollar. Because this is all about the dollar. And wait till you see this, folks. This is going to be absolutely wild how this thing shakes out. So, dollar, DXZ1. Dollar index today gets over the B point with volume. We're at 78.28. That's going to send the dollar to 85. Now, 85, folks, the market's going to take conniptions. Now, it gets heavier than that, though, because what also happens is this, is that if you're watching Tiger TV right now, I'm going to bring this back, and when you actually put this on, I'm going to bring it back to 06, and I'll put it on a monthly, what you're going to see is that it wants to run to the 89 level, but as soon as we launch the 81 level, what it sets up is the 89. You launch the 89, and you're going to go par. And what's that all about? Okay, so this is what it's all about. Number one, it wants to go up. Number two, the death of the dollar. The bottom line, folks, the dollar bottomed in March of 2008, and we are in October or September of 2011. Now, that's on the technical side. The fundamental side goes like this. So check it out. As many times as you've heard that the Chinese are going to stop financing, us, they own 1.1 trillion in bonds, right? Folks, the Chinese have made the best trade that is out in the whole universe. This is not a speculation. This is a fact. Every single bond that they have bought has gone up exponentially, big time. So picture this. They've not only made money hand over fist there, now they're going to make even more money. You know how they're going to do it, folks? Because watch what happens now. What happens now is that anyone that owns a U.S. asset, because the dollar's going up, what do you think happens? What do you think money's all about? Money is all about what you can buy with money. Now the dollar is going to the moon. Why is it going to the moon? It's going to the moon, folks, because if you actually read the Fed's statement, there's no more printing money, period. What the Fed is doing, and that's why the market's taking conniptions, and it's going to be really wild watching what Wall Street does out here. They claim that they don't want to print money. Well, they're going to find out. Be careful what you ask for. Inside that Fed statement today, what they're doing is this, is that it's an even swap out. And it's a swap out of $400 billion. To turn it on, they're going to put $400 billion in mortgage-backed securities. Bottom line, between the last statement that they're going to keep rates low till 2013 and what they're doing right now, the bottom line, my take is that they're actually going to get this thing off the bottom. My stock market's going to hate it, but they're going to hate it. But for America, for you and I, this is dynamite, folks. Flat out. Let's go to Butch in New Mexico. Hey, Butch, what's going on? You there, Butch?
You mean Bob?
I'll take Bob in Colorado. That's a beautiful thing, man. We just went from New Mexico to Colorado. I like that. I like both of those states. How you doing, man?
Tom, I'm calling. I need a little guidance here on Caterpillar.
If you own it, get out.
No, I'm short.
You're short. Okay, you got an ABC down.
Yeah, that's what it was. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out a target.
Okay, cool.
I took half my position off today, a penny above that low of the 22nd of June, which was, the big low, but it looks like it's a pretty good stretch with pretty good volume. So where do you think a price target is?
Okay. Do you know how to do ABC downs or ups? Yes?
Yeah.
No? Okay, good. Okay. So what you have here with Caterpillar, folks, the ABC structures on the way down are all over the place, by the way, too. Confirmed ones, folks. So your A point on this is 112. Your B point is 80. So you got what? 30?
Oh wow! So you're taking that big. You're talking the big ABC. Okay. I was just looking at the small little ABC.
Okay, so let's walk through this. Okay, what you want to do is this: if you have the out of time of the trade, go back to the chapter with building cause. This is
right.
This is a huge heads up, folks. Okay, for what the market has been doing. Okay, and the cause that has been built it started building, of course, August 8th, coming all the way over. Bottom line is it is into those lows. It wants to blow out those lows.
Right.
So now what you have, that's 12, that's $32.
So you're looking at about 60.
That's right.
Wow. Okay, yeah. I had that as well, but I was kind of going off the smaller ABCs, for the month of August into September. So
okay, now what
cool.
you do is this.
That was the thing that I was looking at.
Now what you want to do is this. We're looking at Caterpillar. Now what you do, I'm going to bring it back to 06, and I'll put it on a weekly, okay? Because you want to see, when you do an ABC up or down, you want to see where is the price projection. So you grab 60, right? Now this is where this gets really sick. Now, folks, oh, man, I love this. What a game this is. Okay, so when you go to where 60 is, right, you're going to absolutely get your mind blown. Well, you know what? The week of May 21st of 2010, The high was 65, the low was 57, and that's the last time that it had any type of volume in it at all. That'll hold it for a little bit, but you know where this is really going? 42. Pretty intense, man.
Really, all the way down there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
But don't
okay. On the weekly, even though I know we still got 2 more days yet to go, the weekly from August 12th and the weekly from August the 19th, where it's still got pretty heavy volume there, we're not touching there, so we still have to kind of watch that, right?
That's right.
Okay.
That's right.
All right, cool.
Okay.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Have a great one, man. Have a safe one. Let's see. Now we're going to go to New Mexico. Hey, Butch, what's going on?
Hey, Tommy, what's going on with you, buddy?
This little growling and prowling?
No doubt, no doubt. What a day, huh?
Where are you in New Mexico?
Just north of Taos in Arroyo Hondo.
Oh, man, you're in a beautiful place.
Yeah, looking out on some beautiful peaks, got some beautiful fall weather going.
That's right. Cool, man.
Well, I called about maybe 6 weeks or a month back, asked you about some correlations between the dollar and the bonds.
Yes.
And not to sound like a broken record, but what I'm wanting to ask you is what does this new all-time high in the 30-year say to you?
Well, that's not an all-time high, but...
Huh?
That's not an all-time high.
What is the all-time high?
I think it's 148 or 150 something. Because the
What year was that?
Right now, folks, this is what's so sick. Do not go short bonds, folks. The bonds can go to 165.
That's what I was projecting with the 161 extension.
Yeah, and I'll pull it up right now.
Hey, thank you.
If you're watching Tiger TV, folks, if you're not watching Tiger TV and you're in front of a computer, just right on the front of our website, just hit Tiger TV and it comes right up for you. Okay, so let me see here. So I pull this up. I get it back to 1980, and oh, interesting. Yeah, no, I guess it is an all-time high. Yeah.
Hey, it's all-time high.
That's weird though. They must have rejiggled that. Yeah, it is. It is.
Well, at least on my charts, that's what it's showing. But if you know better, I always defer to you.
No. I'm showing the same thing. But you know what's so weird, man? I know a guy that can help me out with this. Bob Carver. Folks, there's a guy, it's marketclues.net. It's a great site. This guy Bob Carver runs it. Is just he's just like Larry Pesavento. He has market history down beyond belief. And I just remember trading these bonds at 150 something, man. And I remember, well, I'll find out. But anyway, bottom line is that these can go a lot higher.
Okay.
Which is totally sick. But you know what? Bottom line is that markets want to go up.
Because what I was going to ask, should I hold on or
Sure, you can hold on. Absolutely, man. You stay right there. This is Tom O'Brien. We got Butch from New Mexico and the banks, folks. Folks, if you're in this market, get stops in. Do not go take a beating, okay, like the 2008. Don't take that beating. We're going to be right back.